A house segment is pulled to the installation site on a special trailer. B+E driving license and a towing vehicle for 3.5 tons trailer load are sufficient. This 2.5-ton electric excavator was also driven to the installation site with a car trailer. Now the foundation screws are screwed in. This close to the river, we strongly recommend Option Venezia. With Option Venezia, the house is capable of swimming. The foundation screws serve as anchorage. The special trailer has its own drive to bring the house segment into position, exactly above the foundation screws. Unken near Salzburg in Austria in 2025. Each house has 60 photovoltaic modules with 575 watts peak, that's 34.5 kilowatts per house. Each carport is covered with 5 kilowatts of photovoltaics. A heated garage saves electricity for electric cars, but is more expensive than a carport. This gazebo allows outdoor celebrations and is another opportunity for even more photovoltaic. We enter the living room through the patio door. On the west side of the living room is a children's room, with a bed that folds out of the sliding wall/furniture element. On the east side of the living room, there is another children's room. Standard version is already recommended for families with up to 2 children. The wall/furniture element slides almost 2 meters to the west, on rails integrated in the ceiling. Also on the east side of the living room, a wall/furniture element slides on rails, integrated in the ceiling, almost 2 meters to the east. Now the living room has reached its maximum size, and is ready for a party or family celebration. Continuing on, we enter the anteroom. The bedroom, not in the picture, the integrated cupboard wall over the entire width of 294 centimeters. The dining kitchen with 4 places to eat. The bathroom with bathtub, also for showering. The basement is a very expensive storage place, for all the things we are ready to throw away after the next flood. We have shrunk the basement. There are 12 drawers on the side of the house, each 230 centimeters deep. Each drawer has over 800 liters of volume. On the other side of the house are another 12 drawers. Altogether, over 20 cubic meters, to store all your things neatly and well protected.